Villa. My name is Sean and I'll be your MC for today. So, just so you know that Circuit Pearl Island is a 112-acre development and the last phase of landed property is the 35 Pearl Villa. So, if you want to own a landed property, this is your last chance, okay, ladies and gentlemen. And also, it is the first zero-lot development right here in Penang. Without further ado, I would like to invite you to count down with me for the unveiling. That's right, the unveiling of the show unit of 35. So count down from 10 together. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the show unit for the Pearl Villa.